Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to open up the Stampin' Up's OnStage at Home box. I'm so excited, it just came today. OnStage is an annual convention that we have at Stampin' Up. Usually it's in person, but because of COVID, we have been doing it at home the last couple of years. This will be the second year. I think, yeah. So this is the box of goodies we get when you register for the OnStage. We usually get things when we get to convention, but because it's at home, they send it to us in a box. And I'm going to open it up with you on the video. And this is a big box, so it's not all going to fit in the camera. So let's get into it. This is the lid on the inside. Oh my gosh. Let's show you the goodies on the other side of the box. So we have a message here from Sarah. I hope you're as excited for OnStage at Home as I am. We can't wait for you to discover all we have in store for you, starting with your swag box. Yay! I won't read all the rest because it's a lot. So look at this cute little bag. Oh, wow. Let's open it up. I love getting these little bags. Oh my goodness, it has a bumblebee on it. I'm so excited. I'm so happy I didn't look at any of the sneak peeks that other people were posting. Oh my goodness. How cute is that? Oh, this is a cute bag. And it has a pocket on the inside. The little straps. Oh, this is cute. I'm excited. Okay, I like it. Let's see what else is in here. We have our pins. They're usually trading pins, but because we're OnStage at home, we don't trade them. But these are cute. OnStage button. Okay, I like it. We have a little notebook here. Oh, look how they did that on the side. I like that. That's cute. It's just a notepad of lined paper. Some cute pencils. Oh, those are cute. 2, 4, 6 of them. Wow. Okay. Those are cute. Then we have a stamp set. In the moment. Oh, you're in my thoughts. Sometimes the most productive thing you can do is relax. I agree. You're always so good to others. Be good to yourself too. This is a cute stamp set. Look at the little doggy with her while she's reading in the bed. Oh, this is cute. And look at this. This is the last thing. This is the inside of the box. So let's move it. We're done. So this is some grid paper, the OnStage grid paper. There's a couple of sheets of that. Doesn't say, yeah, 5 sheets. This is a nice little box of goodies here. Don't forget the bag. It looks like it was made just for Honeybee. This is so cute. Okay, and because I am registered for OnStage, I had the opportunity to purchase some products ahead of time so that we can do some of the projects at OnStage. We didn't have to order this, but I ordered a collection and I want to show it to you now. I haven't opened it up, but it includes, what is this? Denim Ribbon. So let's see if I can find the starting point. I think we've had this denim ribbon, but I've never bought it. So, but this is denim ribbon. Oh, it's really soft. So that's the denim. Then we have the classic matte dots, and it looks like it's in white, ivory, gray, and black. Let's open it up and see. Make sure there's, yep. So it's probably ivory, very vanilla, basic gray, and basic black. Cute. I like the little dots. And we have a stamp set, Blessings of Home. Really cute. This is a clean stamp set. The red rubber. And the images on this are at 90%. So they are a little larger than what they show on the cover. This is gorgeous. Thank you for inspiring me. Have a perfect birthday. We can get through anything together. What a beautiful day for love. That's pretty. You are a real blessing to everyone around you. Oh, I like this. Then it has coordinating dies. So let's see what the dies look like. Let's see, let's see. Go ahead and flip this around. Pull out the dies. Okay, so we have a die that'll cut this out and this. No label dies, so nothing for the words. And then, so the rest are just extra little flourishes, some flowers. Okay, this is cute. And it's 11 dies in here. And then we have some designer series paper, the Heart and Home. And the colors in this are basic gray, cinnamon cider, fresh freesia, garden green, misty moonlight, pale papaya, and white. So let me get some scissors to open this up. Get this started so we can see this paper. So these products will be available in the upcoming January to June 2022 mini catalog. That I just got to get it early because I registered for OnStage. And look at this. See the little bumblebees? Everything is for me. Oh, wow. I like that. That wood grain is pretty. The whitewashed wood. Let me pull this down a little bit. Look at this. Oh, the whole back is wood grain? That's pretty. Oh my goodness, the fresh freesia. Oh wow. What color was this? Misty Moonlight, I think it said. This is pretty. Oh yeah, I guess the back is all gray and white. This is some pretty paper. I like it. That's the back of that one. Real neutral. These patterns, you can do a lot with them. Okay, I like it. So that is my OnStage unboxing. Let me see what else. I didn't tell you, but this is a red rubber stamp too, the one that came in the swag box. So these are all of my goodies. All of my goodies. And let's not forget the gorgeous bag with the bumblebee on it. If you guys want to join in on the fun of OnStage next year, would love to have you join my team, Honeybee's Stamping Hive, and be a team member. The kit to join costs $99 plus tax. You have free shipping. You get $125 worth of products for your $99. You get to choose whatever you want. And you get a business supply kit, a paper pumpkin kit, and access to me, Honeybee. All right, you guys, that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.